and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time here, you're heartily welcome, and please do consider clicking on that red and blue subscribe button to get yourself subscribed to this channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. On this channel, I upload contents on how you can naturally solve most of your health issues, benefits of so many natural things, DIYs, and so many more. So if you're interested in this kind of content, videos, topics, please do continue watching this channel. Okay, now today I have this magical combo. Now this combo contains potassium, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K. In fact, it has a lot. Okay, and I know you can't wait to hear what it's all about. Now we are going to be talking about bananas, we'll be talking about avocados, we'll be talking about peanut butter. So just make sure you stay tuned to hear more about this and how it's going to benefit you as a man and also as a woman who wants her man to be intact, right? Okay, let's move over so I can explain this one by one before I tell you how to take them. Okay, now guys, this is avocados. Now every one of us know what this is. It is avocado and is a well-known superfood. It contains vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, and even fiber. Now, apart from being a superfood, avocado helps you in keeping up with your sexual mood. It helps to maintain your stamina, and it also increases male fertility. You cannot really talk about any natural sex superfood without mentioning avocado. That is how great they are. And did I mention that avocado is one food that is quite filling? It's something that you can eat on its own and it keeps you filled up for longer, especially if you are on a diet. So avocado can do a lot for you. All right, then the next ingredient we'll be talking about will be this wonderful yellowish banana. Now this is not just delicious, it is also filling. Just like avocado, it contains vitamin B. Bananas are also known to improve prostate health. Okay, now if your bedmatics performance is very poor, you just take 1 or 2 bananas and eat, and your story will just change. It helps you increase your fiber intake. It also helps to provide you with the kind of energy you need to not just to work, but also do your okay on bed. Now, so this banana is very great. And apart from it, it also helps to strengthen your muscles. You know, you need your muscles to be in good shape if you want to if you want to be a king on bed. All right, now let's talk about the next one, which is peanut butter. Now peanut butter is very sweet. If you know peanut butter, you know that it's very sweet. Okay, it's gotten from peanuts mixed with other things. Now peanut butter is not just sweet. If you have ever combined or eating peanut butter with garden egg, is on another level, especially if that peanut butter contains pepper. Okay, is on another level. Now let's not divert. Peanut butter contains magnesium, it contains zinc, vitamin B6, phosphorus, and a lot more. So the best part of this peanut butter is that it helps you keep in shape, it strengthens you, and it also makes sure that your muscles are solid. Okay, they are moving nowhere. So that's one good part of, or good side of, peanut butter. Now the last but not the least is milk. Milk can actually be any milk of your choice. Just take the kind of milk that you want, it's fine. Okay, now milk is known to be filled with good amount of protein. It helps you see your woman very well. It helps with your eyes. That is what I mean. It helps make your skin healthier and younger. It is also very good when it comes to strengthening your bone. Okay, and the best part of this one is the fact that it helps lower your chances of having cancer. All right, so remember I said the milk of your choice. Choose any milk you want. Okay, any milk at all, any milk and milk at all, anyone. Okay, it's fine as long as it is what you want. Just make sure that the milk you're choosing is what your body can deal with. Okay, and for those people that cannot use milk for one reason or another, health reason or another, please, you can make use of plain water. All right, then mix everything inside your blender, pour everything inside your blender, and you blend. See, when it comes to the amount you're adding, you just add like 1.5 or even one medium-sized banana, one medium-sized banana. You are going to add half medium size of avocado, 2 spoons or even 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and then a cup of milk or plain water. And that is it. To serve it to your man, and voila. Alright loves, I've come to the end of today's video. If you loved this video as usual, please give me thumbs up. Remember to share my videos with your friends, your family members, and your loved ones. Do share my videos with everyone and to everywhere shareable. Until next time, remain blessed. Bye bye.